Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about our new Rayon Servo Drives with low voltage and high power density. The product is easily integrated into any robotic or industrial application with a host of features and benefits. These compact and lightweight modules enable original equipment manufacturers to develop tailor-made multi-axis motion control solutions within their systems. So let's dive in to the key features, product specifications, and the range of applications these drives cater to. Now let's talk about the key features of our new Rayon Servo drives. The continuous current is up to 250 amps, with an advanced current loop of 20 kHz, a speed loop of 4 kHz, and a positioning loop also of 4 kHz. For precise control of the applied current, speed and position. It's perfect for compact applications without sacrificing performance. It's also ideal for harsh environments with an operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The user-friendly Graphical User Interface software has an intuitive configuration with reduced setup time and simplifies the configuration within the application. This allows for customizable configurations for special projects for a range of applications. Now let's talk about the Rayon series in closer detail. The Micro Rayon Servo Drive has a continuous current of 12.5 amps RMS with a peak of 20 amps. The input can be 12 volts DC to 8 to 48 volts DC. It also has PCB surface mount technology. The Rayon Tiny Servo module has a continuous current of 15 amps RMS with a peak of 25 amps. The motor power can be between 200 watts and 600 watts and also has various motor feedback options. The Rayon single board has a continuous current of 20 amps RMS with a peak of 40 amps. It also has multiple communication options. So, the Rayon series is extremely suited for applications in AGVs, robotics, and aviation. It offers comprehensive solutions for positioning, speed, and torque control. It also has seamless integration with UAVs, gimbals, and large-scale applications. The Rayon 70 and Rayon 300 is engineered to meet military standards 810. It's ideal for robotics, aerospace, agriculture, and more. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in this range of products or feel you have an application we can take a look at, please feel free to reach out to us using the contact information on the screen or in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos. Also, have a look at the end of the screen for more videos to watch.